Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard language on your iPhone on iOS 18. So let's get started. The first thing is you're going to want to go into your setting on your iPhone and then scroll to General here. And then in the General section, you go to Keyboard here. And from there on, we see there's keyboards. So click on Keyboards. And by default, you're going to have one language and most likely the emoji one. Now, if you wanted to add another language, simply click on Add New Keyboard. And then you can see here, there's languages that are available. You want to go ahead and find the one that you want to change it to. So I'll go ahead and pick one just for it. So let's go ahead and pick one, maybe here. We'll go ahead into one of them. So let's go to Japanese here. And then you have different version of that. Let's go ahead and done here. And now I have two different keyboards here. If I open up, let's go ahead into a text here. And I click on the keyboard option. There's a world icon right here that will show up. And you can tap on it to change your keyboard just like that. As you can see here now, the keyboard has changed on my phone to that language. If you switch it back, you can click on it. And you can see here, changes the keyboard. And you can add multiple language as well. You can go ahead and add another keyboard. So if you're bilingual and want to use different language, right, you can go ahead and see the different languages available just like that. And then you can switch back and forth. And if you ever wanted to remove them, you can also just simply swipe to the left, click on delete, and then delete, and it will remove them as well. So that's how you change keyboard on your iPhone on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.